Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was here, we discussed about how deep this one can be. And as we can see, there is no much changes. And the way we have been looking for the chart, we mentioned we're considering this one in relative to this as a flat for one move up. This is what I'm looking for. Then from there, if the price could break this zone, that means we want to see the breakout of the 51K following by 55,300. If the price could break this zone, then from there we can look for continuation. If not, it followed by the divergence, then we can consider this one as a correction in relative to this for the next drop. Okay, that's why the breakout of this zone is really important for us. And how deep this correction can be, any of this level we can expect. Then we want to see whether the price can break the first level or not. Okay, can we consider this is the only flat and this is the three waves following by divergence? One of the indicators showing us a divergence, but make the not. Okay, that's mean the possibility for the price to drop from here is very less. That's why we can look for one move up. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop. Even the price drop from here, we are not really interested to look for sell. Now we don't see any trade setup for buy. Still, we can expect the price drop some more. And if we move to forward chart, right now we're looking at this. That's why we can expect to see one more drop. Then from there, we can look for continuation. If the price reverses from here as a corrective, I don't think we can get any opportunity for buy unless we see the reversal as a short move. Okay. And if anyone wants to look for sell, if I move to 1 hour chart, the only option is to put our entry below this. It's a really short term and it depends on the traders and the strategy they use, because for when the next drop, if you refer to the indicators based on 1 hour chart, mostly we will see the divergence. And even based on forward chart, all right, even if we get one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, if you refer to the indicators, mostly we will face the divergence. Okay, MACD we need to wait and see, but from the others we can see. Yeah, I mean we can expect. Okay, that's why selling from here by having entry below this is, I mean, it's quite risky, and the traders, they should know how to manage it. And if you want to see how deep it can go, we can look at put our fib here and we look for 27% as a target. But if we put our entry here, simply the price can tag following by divergence and reverse. That's why we need to be quite careful. And I don't call it the trade setup at this point, but it depends on the traders. But for me, if I want to look for buy, I prefer to get that next drop with the breakout of the previous low. Then if I see the confirm with the divergence, then from there, having entry above this, or either we look for the reversal as a short move flag can be an option. But from what we can see here, we can expect to see one more drop. And even if the price will continue as a corrective move, I don't think we can get a really good trade for buy. Anyway, as I mentioned, there is no much changes. If I move to daily chart, there is no much changes. If you refer to my last analysis, the only thing is we want to confirm with this correction. Then from there, we want to see whether we can get this trade or not. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.